Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word anthropomorphize. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I anthropomorphize my pet dog, attributing human-like emotions and thoughts to him. Anthropomorphize means attributing human characteristics or behaviors to non-human entities, like animals, objects, or abstract concepts. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.